Class 2 English Value Education, and today we are going to start chapter number 7, okay, and that is found on page number 26. You can see your books, and the value of this chapter is obedience. Okay, obedience means you must know the meaning of the obedience first. That means आज्ञाकारिता. ठीक है, to be obedient means आज्ञाकारी होना. Okay, suppose somebody is saying something to do or not to do, you should know that you have to do it. That is obedience. Or if someone, your parent is asking you not to do anything, then you don't have to do that. Okay, that is called obedience. Okay, now I hope you have understood the meaning of the value of this chapter. Okay, now we will see this is the story about one small boy like you. We will see in the chapter what happens in the beginning. Okay, the title of this chapter is an accident. Okay, you know accident, the meaning of accident. Accident, you know that चोट लगना, किसी तरह से कोई भिड़ंत हो जाना किसी से, गाड़ी से या रोड पे, किसी भी any sort of incident which occurs on the road, or it may be in the house also. But accident means getting hurt by anything, by any vehicle or any sort of thing. Okay, so introduction. Okay, now we will see what all we are going to study in this chapter. Introduction. At times we feel like doing our own things. Okay, we may feel that obeying our elders is spoiling our fun. What is the meaning of this line? कि कभी कभी हम लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि स्पेशली यू चिल्ड्रन कि वी फील लाइक डूइंग आवर ओन थिंग्स, मतलब हम अपने चीज़ों को अपने ढंग से करना चाहते हैं. एंड वी मे फील दैट ओबेइंग आवर एल्डर्स इज स्पॉइलिंग आवर फन. और समटाइम्स यू फील, you especially you children feel that when you obey your parents, if they ask you to do anything or not to do anything, so you think that it will spoil. If you will obey them, it will spoil your fun. मतलब उस आपका जो आनंद है, जो भी आप खेल कूद तमाशा करना चाहते हैं, that will be spoiled. Okay, but we forget that our elders and parents always tell us things which are good for us. Okay, लेकिन हम लोग ये भूल जाते हैं, हम लोग मीन्स यू चिल्ड्रन, स्मॉल स्पेशली यंग चिल्ड्रन, दैट आवर पेरेंट्स एंड एल्डर्स ऑलवेज टेल अस थिंग्स विच आर गुड टू अस, गुड फॉर अस. ओके, हम लोग ये भूल जाते हैं, स्पेशली बच्चे, यू यंग चिल्ड्रन, दैट पे हमारे एल्डर्स, हमारे घर के जो बड़े हैं, और हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे माँ बाप, हमारे माता पिता, वो हमें जो भी बताते हैं वो हमारे लिए अच्छा होता है, हमारी भलाई के लिए होता है. ओके, you must understand this fact that it is good for you people. Okay, because they need your they want your welfare. Okay, we must obey elders. हमें अपने से बड़ों की, ये हमें मीन्स you people. Okay, children, you must obey elders. बड़ों की कहना मानना चाहिए, उनकी आज्ञा का पालन करना चाहिए. They are all well wishers. Okay, and they want us to be safe and happy. वो हमारा भला चाहने वाले होते हैं, वो हमारे वेल विशर होना माने हमारी भलाई दे आर आवर they are our well wishers and they want us to be safe and happy. What is the meaning of this line, children? They are our well wishers, यानी कि पेरेंट्स आर ऑलवेज द वेल विशर्स ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, यानी उनका भला चाहने वाले. वेल विशर माने वेल मीन्स अच्छा, भला, एंड विशर माने विश करने वाले, उनकी इच्छा करने वाले, भलाई की इच्छा करने वाले. ओके, यू नो द मीनिंग. एंड दे वांट अस टू बी सेफ एंड हैप्पी. और पेरेंट्स क्या चाहते हैं हमेशा? द चिल्ड्रन शुड बी सेफ, यानी कि सुरक्षित रहें, उनको चोट ना लगे. दे शुड बी साउंड एंड सेफ. ओके, एंड हैप्पी, खुश भी हों. ओके, let us read about a boy who thought that he knew what was right for him. Now we are going to start the story about a boy who thought that he knew what was right for him. उसने क्या सोचा कि उसके लिए क्या सही है, ये वो उसने सोचा. We will see what happens in the story. And he thought what was right for him. Okay, now the story starts from here. One day, comma, one day Rahul got a new bicycle on his birthday. There was a small boy whose name was Rahul, and he got a new bicycle on his birthday as a birthday gift. Okay, it was a gift from his parents. वो उसके पेरेंट्स की तरफ से उसको बर्थडे गिफ्ट था. They had given presented him a gift on his birthday. Okay, he was very excited and wanted to show it off to his friends. और वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड था when he got this new bicycle. He was very much excited and he wanted to show it off to his friends. वो अपने दोस्तों को शो ऑफ करना चाहता था, दिखाना चाहता था that he has got a new bicycle. He was very happy because he has got a new gift from his parents. Okay, his mother knew that Rahul had not put in enough practice in riding bigger cycles. उसकी मदर को मालूम था ये बात कि राहुल को जो है वो थोड़ी बड़ी साइकिल्स को चलाने की प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, बिकॉज दिस न्यू साइकिल वॉज लिटिल बिगर दैन द प्रीवियस वन. ओके, सो शी न्यू दैट ही वॉज नॉट इन ए प्रैक्टिस टू ride those bigger bicycles. Okay, she knew that he will have to face some sort of problem in riding the bigger cycle. Okay, so she called him. उसने उसे बुलाया. Rahul, this bicycle is bigger than your old bike, so please don't pedal fast, just stay on the roads or in the colony. Okay, I am reading the whole line which his mother told him, don't go to the main road on this bicycle, I don't want you to get hurt. This was the statement his mother told him. Rahul, this bicycle is bigger than the old bike. उसने क्या कहा कि राहुल ये बाइसिकल जो है ये बड़ी है पुरानी वाली से. दिस इज़ मच बिगर दैन द ओल्ड वन. ओके, विच यू आर रनिंग टिल नाउ. सो प्लीज़ डोंट पैडल फास्ट. और इसको बहुत तेज़ पैडलिंग मत करना, इसको बहुत तेज़ मत चलाना. जस्ट स्टे ऑन द रोड्स. जस्ट स्टे ऑन द रोड्स इन द कॉलोनी. हिज मदर टोल्ड हिम दैट यू जस्ट स्टे विद इन द colony, all the roads which are found in the colony, don't go to the main road on this bicycle. His mother told him not to go on the main road. Okay, because she was afraid that he will have to face some bigger vehicles, some bigger on that road. Okay, I don't want you to get hurt. उसने क्या कहा कि मैं नहीं चाहती कि तुम मेन रोड पे जाओ ये बाइसिकल, नई बाइसिकल लेकर, बिकॉज एक तो बड़ी है, यू डोंट हैव द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ पैडलिंग दिस न्यू बाइसिकल, एंड आई डोंट वांट यू टू गेट हर्ट. मैं नहीं चाहती कि तुमको किसी तरह से चोट लग जाएगी. ओके, शी वॉज अफ्रेड दैट ही मे गेट हर्ट ऑन द मेन रोड. ओके, बट राहुल वॉज इन ए हरी टू शो हिज न्यू बाइसिकल टू हिज फ्रेंड्स. लेकिन राहुल जो थे उनको क्या था, ही वॉज इन ए हरी. उसको बहुत जल्दी थी कि कैसे भी बस मैं निकलूँ घर से, जल्दी जाऊँ और अपनी बाइसिकल को अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिखाऊँ. ही वांटेड टू शो देम that he has got a new gift. Look, I have got a new bicycle from my dad, he told his friends. Look, देखो, I have got a new bicycle from my dad. मेरे फादर ने मुझे ये नई बाइसिकल दी है. I can ride better than you guys, he very boastfully said. कि I can ride better than you guys, मतलब मैं आप लोगों से और बहुत अच्छा इसको चला के दिखा सकता हूँ, because it is bigger also and you don't have this much big bicycle. So he was showing off his new bicycle to his friends. Okay, now I will paddle it on the main road. I am not afraid of the traffic, he said. I will paddle it on the main road. He out of showing off this new bicycle to his friends after because he wanted to show off. Okay, थोड़ा सा वो अपना शो ऑफ दिखाना चाहता था कि he has got something which his friends don't have. Okay, so he said कि now I will paddle it on the main road. Now he said कि मैं अब इसको मैं पैडल चला के इसको ले जाऊँगा on the main road, and I am not afraid of the traffic. He told them कि मुझे ट्रैफिक से कोई डर नहीं लगता, मैं तो ट्रैफिक के बीच में अपनी नई बाइसिकल को चलाऊँगा. So children, I think this is enough for today's video, and we will see in the next video what all will happen on the road when he goes on the main road. What will happen, we will see. Whether he gets hurt or he is safe, that we will see in the next video. Okay, so I think this much is enough, and when you get this video, you can see it very well. Take the help of your parents, somebody. If you I hope you will understand, because I have tried my best to explain you in a very simple way. And worksheet also you see, which is based on this part, so you will have a good idea of the chapter. And one more thing children, because this is my first video with you. Earlier Noble ma'am was taking your class, so now onwards I don't know whether you know me or not. You were in class 1 last year, so now you are in class 2, so you must have seen me. I am Gloria ma'am. You must know my name. You must be knowing me by my name and by my face. You will see me in the Zoom class, then you will come to know about me. Okay, and one more thing, whatever work I give you in the worksheet, that you write somewhere in the copy. Okay, and two things I want to tell you, that first of all, whatever work I give you in the worksheet, you just copy it down somewhere, because your examination will be totally based on that only. आपका जो एग्ज़ाम नेक्स्ट वाला होगा, that will be half yearly examination, so that will be totally based on the work which you will do through the worksheets. Okay, and you must have a record. One more thing I would like to tell your parents about it, that you will get all my videos on the YouTube also. Okay, you can type my name, you can type tell your parents to type the name of the school and my name and subject. You will, and the topic, the chapter's name, you will get that video. Okay, on YouTube, and you can see it anytime, and you can see it again and again also. That is the benefit. And you can subscribe also, because it will not take you don't have to pay any money for that, and I am also not going to get any money, but it is
notification.
Yes, that is the one thing, because that will be always available on the YouTube. And one more thing, because as soon as I will put the new this thing video, you will get the notification that a new video has come. Okay, on the new chapter. So that is a benefit for you. And but you have to do the exercise work, which is already solved. Don't have to find the answers and of the questions. That is already solved. Okay, so you have to just copy it somewhere in your notebook, or you already must have made a new copy of the value education, because you have already studied so many chapters with your Noble ma'am. So you can do the same my work also in the same copy. So children, I hope you have understood the whatever part we have taken today, and we will see that what will happen in the second half of the chapter, that we will do in the next video number 2. Okay, next week, next Wednesday. So keep in touch and keep studying, and do what all I am saying you to do. Okay, thank you.